best vitamins for health, what your body needs daily. Are you giving your body the nourishment it deserves? Vitamins are essential for keeping your body functioning at its best, but are you familiar with the ones you need every day? In this video, we're going to break down the most critical vitamins your body requires, discuss their benefits, sources, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether it's boosting your immune system, providing energy, or protecting your skin, these vitamins are the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive in and make informed health decisions together. Vitamins are organic compounds your body needs in small amounts to work properly. Each plays a different role, from strengthening your bones to converting food into energy. Despite their importance, many people unknowingly miss out on key vitamins, leading to fatigue, weakened immunity, or other health concerns. While supplements can help address deficiencies, getting vitamins through food is usually the best option. Balance is crucial here, because overloading on vitamins can be harmful rather than helpful. Finding the right amount for your body ensures optimal health without overwhelm. Let's take a closer look at the top vitamins you need and how they support your overall well-being. Vitamin C is your powerhouse for maintaining a healthy immune system and supporting your skin. It serves as a strong antioxidant, protecting your body from harmful free radicals. Additionally, it plays an important role in producing collagen, which helps keep your skin smooth and your connective tissues strong. Daily sources of vitamin C focus on citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, but there are plenty of veggies too. Bell peppers, leafy greens like spinach, and broccoli are excellent alternatives. Because your body doesn't store vitamin C, it's vital to consume it regularly through your diet. Known as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is essential for keeping your bones strong. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for bone health and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Beyond bones, vitamin D also plays a role in regulating mood and combating mental health concerns such as depression. Despite its importance, many people remain deficient in vitamin D due to limited sunlight exposure, especially during the winter months. Luckily, you can find vitamin D in fortified foods like milk, orange juice, or cereals. For those with low levels, supplements may also be an effective option. Don't forget, a few minutes a day in the sun can do wonders. The vitamin B complex consists of a variety of B vitamins, each with its own unique role. For instance, vitamin B12 and B6 take center stage in converting food into energy, supporting brain function and producing red blood cells. These vitamins are critical for staying energized throughout your day. They also promote better nerve function and help your body manage stress efficiently. Foods rich in B vitamins include whole grains, eggs, milk, and leafy greens. Incorporating these foods into your meals can naturally boost your energy and vitality. Vitamin E is your body's defense system against aging and diseases caused by oxidative stress. It's an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, which can otherwise lead to inflammatory conditions. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin E also plays a role in enhancing skin repair and promoting a healthy immune system. To ensure you're getting enough, snack on nuts like almonds, sunflower seeds, and use plant-based oils such as olive or sunflower oil in your cooking. Small portions of these nutrient-rich foods can make a big impact. Think of vitamin A as your guardian for vision and immunity. It helps maintain good eyesight, especially in low-light conditions, and strengthens your immune system to ward off infections. Vitamin A is widely available in colorful vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and orange squash. These foods contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Not only will your eyes benefit, but your skin and immunity will thank you too. When it comes to vitamins, natural food sources are usually your best option. Whole, fresh foods typically provide vitamins in their most bioavailable forms, meaning your body can easily absorb and use them. Some foods even contain multiple vitamins, making them a convenient choice for meeting your daily needs. Spinach, for example, provides vitamins C, E, and several B vitamins in a single serving. Similarly, eggs are a great source of vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Adopting a balanced diet filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins is the best way to ensure your body gets what it needs. Think of it as a colorful plate. Eating a range of colors translates to a range of nutrients. While food is the most natural pathway to meeting your nutritional needs, some individuals may require supplements. Certain groups are more prone to deficiencies, including people who follow restrictive diets, those with specific medical conditions, or individuals who don't get enough sunlight. For example, a vegan diet may lack B12 because it's primarily found in animal products. Similarly, older adults often need vitamin D supplements to maintain strong bones. If you suspect you're lacking in any vitamins, consult a healthcare professional for proper testing and guidance. But remember, too much of any vitamin through supplementation can be harmful. Moderation is key. Incorporating the right vitamins into your meals doesn't have to be a chore. Here are practical tips to get started. Plan balanced meals. Focus on including fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins every day. Snack wisely. Choose nuts, seeds, or yogurt as snacks instead of processed options. Go seasonal. Seasonal produce is often fresher and higher in nutrients than out-of-season options. Eat the rainbow. Ensure you're consuming a mix of colors in your meals to cover a variety of vitamins. Small, consistent efforts can yield big health rewards. Even adding one more fruit or vegetable serving a day can start making a meaningful difference. It's important to sift through common myths and misunderstandings surrounding vitamins. For one, there's no such thing as a miracle vitamin that can make up for an otherwise poor diet or lifestyle. Vitamins work best as part of a holistic approach to health. Another misconception is that taking megadoses of vitamins will supercharge your health. In reality, this can lead to harmful side effects or even toxicity. More is not better when it comes to vitamins. Your intake needs to be just right. By staying well informed, you can make choices that genuinely support your health without falling for exaggerated claims. Vitamins are the building blocks of a healthy, energized, and balanced life. Whether it's vitamin C supporting your immunity, vitamin D strengthening your bones, or B vitamins converting your food into energy, each plays a critical role. By focusing on whole foods and making small, intentional choices, you can ensure your body gets everything it needs to thrive. Remember, supplements can help in certain cases, but the goal is always balance. Evaluate your habits, adjust your diet if needed, and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Health is the foundation of everything you do, so start nourishing yourself today.